In the right sidebar, find the drop-down menu labeled All Tools and change it to Ligature. This shortcut filters the properties and tools on the sidebar to only display ligature-related options. Don't worry, you can still expand the full set of tools below if needed. Click on the Font Family drop-down to expand the font menu, and click on the All tab. Notice that all the fonts have been automatically filtered by the Has Ligature option. Every font shown here contains ligatures that are applicable to your selected text. Poseidon. Let's select one of these fonts, Fleur, to explore its ligatures. Fonts with diamond icon are premium exclusive fonts available to Typogram only through our collaboration with the Type founders. These high-quality fonts are most likely to have ligatures, which is why you will see a disproportionately higher number of diamond fonts when filtering by has ligatures. After choosing Fleur, the available ligatures for your selected text are displayed on the top. In this case, there were two options for the letter pair ON. If you want to find ligatures for a specific letter pair, such as EI, you can do so by changing the Select tool from Move to Select Letter and then selecting the E and I letters. Now go to the font menu. It's already filtered by Has Substitutions. Ligatures are essentially multiple glyphs substituted with a single glyph. Since we selected the letter E and I, we're only seeing fonts that can substitute these two letters with a single ligature glyph. I think Mezzotint looked pretty cool. Let's select that and check out the substitution glyphs. After applying the Mezzotint font to the letter E and I, we can see its substitution glyphs in the side panel above the font menu. The ligature may look subtle, but it's elegant. You can click on it to apply to the canvas for a more detailed look. If you are satisfied with this font and want to apply it to the entire line of text, there are a few extra steps. Good news though, the font name is automatically copied to your clipboard when you select it in the font menu. Simply select the text, paste the font name into the search bar, and apply it. The EI ligature will be preserved, so no need to worry about that. Here's a bonus tip. Select one letter at a time to check if there are suitable substitution glyphs available. Substitution glyphs often carry a unique design that can further elevate your brand. The Poseidon brand could use a swashy capital P. With Typogram's intuitive tools around ligatures and substitutions, you can fine-tune your ligature design until it perfectly captures the essence of your brand.